get it. And bloody just do a bit of this. See all the others, everything else is gone. And we can just get it here.
Look at the meat on that compared to last week.
Yeah. You know. Like that. His head's gone. So remember,
Squeeze
just
it.
to squeeze it, and then that gets rid of some of the piss out of the piss bag, just in case you rupture it and you don't get it everywhere. So we've got the tail. So you can see how I'm holding the leg and then holding the tail, so I can just get it. Sometimes you can just break that off. You know, you can just get the knife and just lightly. Sometimes you can get your fingers in there to push it away. That's why pointy knives are not really good for this, because you can rupture and make a mess. Then get it like that, spread those legs, go through the poo hole, crack it open. Get out all those kidneys, and look at the fat on that. Beautiful.
Look at the meat on it compared.
Yeah.
Last week they were like on a famine. They were so little.
No, get out of that, Moona. You don't want all that shit, Moona. Yeah, so just up there is a little membrane wall.
Yeah.
And up in there is the heart and everything. Which probably ended up going out through his neck and head. So, do you want the legs for the dogs?
Dogs don't like rabbit, apparently.
Who told you that?
My dogs don't.
Your dogs.
Yeah, weird. So I gave them a bit raw, didn't touch it.
Yep.
Gave them the bit cooked when we didn't touch it. We were quite shocked. Because when the meat came in, they were actually quite interested in the meat.
Okay.
So when we put it in their bowl, they're like, nah.
Mm.
So it was kind of, we were shocked. Because we gave them the rabbit bones after we chewed the meat off and gave them the rabbit. No,
Yep.
didn't want it.
Like that.
Kneecap it.
So, yeah, you'll be able to. It gets difficult sometimes. You just gotta watch that you don't bloody.
Slice your finger.
Yeah.
On bone or blade.
Or drop it. Like that. That's right. So you can see there, you got the rib cage. Got all the front end shot off. You want me to get rid of that, or? Oh,
Yeah, get rid of a bit of the shot end, I guess.
Well, I suppose what I can do, because you're not going to use the rib cage, are you?
No, not really.
You're not going to use that. So what I will do is I might as well do this up to where it starts hitting the rib. Okay, you get there. And so rib cage, you can see the ribs there.
Yeah.
So what we can do is we just go down where that rib is. There could be another rib in there.
Yeah, I'll have a look at it.
Right. And then what we can do is we can just go straight from there, straight across to there. So all you got to do is cut around there and around that, cut around there, and then cut through where all this comes down to here, and then break off that hip bone and everything else.
Cut around it.
Yeah.
Supper, Moona. Supper for you?
There. Get rid of that bit. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
So you just need a couple of big slices into
Yeah.
that again, and you'd be right.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean that's all you